Have you ever stopped to think about what will happen when our species can no longer stay on Earth? Climate change, overpopulation, and the depletion of natural resources are just some of the issues threatening our long-term survival. But what if the future of humanity isn't here, but out there among the stars? How far can we go as a species? What awaits us on other worlds? Today, on Universe, we'll explore the exciting and challenging path to colonizing other planets. The dream of colonizing Mars. When we talk about space colonization, Mars holds a special place in our imagination. Its proximity and some similarities to Earth make it the leading candidate for our first interplanetary colony. However, behind this dream lie colossal challenges that we must overcome if we want to transform Mars into a habitable place for humans. Journey to Mars. Getting to Mars isn't as simple as boarding a spaceship. With current technology, the trip takes between 6 and 9 months, during which astronauts would be exposed to high levels of cosmic radiation and the debilitating effects of microgravity. To mitigate these problems, systems are being developed to protect against radiation and maintain the bone and muscle health of space travelers. But these are just the first steps. Terraforming, changing a world. Mars has a thin atmosphere composed almost entirely of carbon dioxide and temperatures that can drop to minus 125 degrees Celsius. Terraforming, a hypothetical process to modify a planet's conditions, includes ideas such as releasing greenhouse gases to warm the surface or using giant mirrors to concentrate sunlight. While these ideas sound promising, the reality is that it could take centuries or even millennia to significantly transform Mars' climate. Daily life on Mars. Once on Mars, the challenges don't end. The scarcity of liquid water on the surface, planet-wide dust storms, and the absence of a protective magnetic field are critical problems. To survive, settlers will need to live in pressurized habitats, use advanced recycling systems, and rely on greenhouses to produce food. Every aspect of life on Mars would be radically different from what we know on Earth. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to join the family of Universe. The Moon, our first stop. Before venturing to Mars, it makes sense to look closer to home. The Moon, our natural satellite, offers a perfect platform for testing the technologies and strategies necessary for space colonization. Its proximity, just 3 days away, makes it an ideal location for establishing our first base outside Earth. Lunar bases. The idea of building bases on the Moon isn't new, but now it's more feasible than ever thanks to technological advancements. These bases could be buried beneath the lunar surface to protect against solar radiation and micrometeorite impacts. 3D printers could transform lunar regolith into bricks, eliminating the need to transport materials from Earth. Lunar resources. One of the most exciting discoveries is the presence of frozen water at the Moon's poles. This resource could be used not only for drinking, but also to produce oxygen and rocket fuel, turning the Moon into a refueling station for farther missions. Lunar economy. Beyond survival, the Moon could become an economic hub. Resources like helium-3, a rare isotope that could revolutionize nuclear energy, offer economic incentives for its exploitation. Such activities could finance and accelerate our expansion into space. Colonies beyond the solar system. While Mars and the Moon are achievable goals, humanity's true dream is to expand beyond our solar system. The search for habitable exoplanets leads us to imagine futures where the nearest stars harbor our descendants. Habitable exoplanets. Missions like Kepler and TESS have identified thousands of exoplanets, some of which are in the habitable zone of their stars, where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist. Proxima b, a planet orbiting Proxima Centauri, is one of the main candidates, although reaching it would require technology we do not yet possess. Interstellar travel. Reaching other star systems is a monumental challenge. Futuristic concepts like generational ships, where several generations would live and die during the journey, or advanced technologies like solar sails propelled by lasers and nuclear fusion engines, are some of the ideas being explored. These advances could reduce travel time from thousands of years to just decades. Adapting to new worlds. Even if we reach a habitable exoplanet, unique challenges await. The atmospheres could be toxic, local microorganisms could be dangerous, and extreme weather conditions would require innovative solutions. Genetic engineering might be key to adapting our bodies to these new environments. The role of AI and automation. Artificial intelligence and autonomous systems will play a crucial role in space colonization. These technologies will not only reduce risks for humans, but also enable us to explore and prepare new worlds before our arrival. Construction robots. Teams of robots could build basic infrastructure, such as habitats and solar panels, using local resources. This would significantly reduce the amount of materials we need to transport from Earth. Life support systems. AI could manage complex systems for recycling water, producing oxygen, and generating food. These technologies would be essential to keep settlers alive in hostile environments for long periods. Remote exploration. Autonomous vehicles equipped with advanced sensors could map terrain, search for resources, and analyze soil composition. This would provide crucial data for planning human settlements. Philosophical and social implications. Expanding into space isn't just a technical challenge, but also a cultural and philosophical transformation. Becoming an interplanetary species will change how we understand ourselves and our place in the universe. Global unity. Space exploration has the potential to unite humanity under a common purpose. However, there's also the risk that Earth's conflicts and divisions could extend into space. New cultures, colonies on Mars, the Moon, or exoplanets will eventually develop their own cultures, languages, and unique ways of life. This raises fascinating questions about how our identity as a species will evolve. Ethics of exploration. Do we have the right to modify other worlds to suit our needs? What happens if we find life on these planets? These are profound questions we must address as we take the first steps toward colonization. Colonizing other planets is one of the greatest adventures humanity can undertake. It represents our hope for long-term survival and our ability to dream beyond the limits of our planet. But this journey also requires responsibility, innovation, and a shared vision of what it means to be human in a vast and mysterious universe. Can we meet these challenges and become an interplanetary civilization? Only the future will tell. More than 75% of people who watch our videos are not subscribed to the channel. So, if you want to support us, don't forget to subscribe and share the channel so that we continue to grow as a universe family. Don't forget to leave your like and tell us what you thought of the video. See you next time. See you later.